I love Northwest Arkansas, but I'm not going to pretend it's perfect. If you're considering a move, here are 5 reasons why NWA might not be the place for you. If nature makes you sneeze, you're in for a ride. Spring and fall here bring serious pollen. Oak, cedar, ragweed, you name it. And thanks to our humidity, mold allergies are a year-round bonus. Beautiful? Yes. Brutal for sinuses? Also yes. If you're loyal to Costco or Trader Joe's, brace yourself. The closest ones are in Springfield, Missouri, about a 2-hour drive. But hey, we've got 3 Sam's Clubs here. Plus, this is Walmart country, so supercenters and neighborhood markets are everywhere. Still, if you love Trader Joe's snacks or Costco's Kirkland everything, you'll have to plan a road trip. Expect all 4 seasons and sometimes in the same week. It can be sunny and 75 on Monday, storming Tuesday, and iced over by Wednesday. And we get tornado warnings. Keep a rain jacket and a backup plan. Fayetteville has Dixon Street, and you'll find breweries and live music in Bentonville and Rogers. But if you're into clubs, rooftop lounges, or 4 a.m. last calls, this is not that kind of party town. NWA is still more affordable than major metro areas, but it's not cheap. Prices have climbed fast, especially near Bentonville and Fayetteville. It's a competitive market, and bidding wars are common. The secret's out. Every place has its trade-offs, and NWA is no exception. These things won't matter to everyone, but if any of them are deal breakers for you, it's better to know now. If you're still curious about what it's like to live, work, or invest in Northwest Arkansas, reach out and shoot us a message. We're happy to help.